Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our new video where we'll understand the difference between product management and project management. When it comes to management, many of us tend to get confused between the two terms, that is product management and project management. This video will give you a clear idea of both the terms. So without any further delay, let's move ahead in our session. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. As towards the end of this session, we'll explain you which one is better for you to consider. So stick till the end and take the important decision. Now, let us take a look at the objectives of our session. Today, we'll start this session by understanding what is a product and what is a project. Following that, we'll understand what is product management and its goals. Similarly, we'll understand what is project management and its goals. Then we'll go through the life cycle of product management and project management. Moving forward, we'll understand the main difference between product management and project management. And we'll wrap up this session by talking about which one should you choose to start your career in, product management or project management. To know more about product management, it is very important to first understand what is a product. So, a product is something that is offered to deliver its services to the users by putting efforts to be produced. For example, Google Maps for directional services. It can be defined as a tangible item that an alliance creates to serve the customer's need. For example, Uber for taxi services. A product is designed to create customers' value by solving their problem with convenient evolution. It doesn't have any explicit life cycle and has more permanence, which means that a product doesn't have any fixed end date and it needs continuous discovery and development. We can differentiate products into 6 categories. The 6 types of product that we have are differentiated products. It consists of vintage car, smartphones, shirt, shoes, and a lot more. Next are customized products. Customized products holds on customized fragrance, customized shoes, customized websites, and a lot more. The next are potential products. It includes luxurious chocolates, protein bars, and other luxurious products. The next are core products. It consists of laptop, bulb, mobile phones, etc. The next are actual products. It holds on maps, books, and a lot more. The last type of product that we have are augmented products. It holds on Apple TV, e-commerce, telecom operators, and other similar products. Now let us understand what is a project. So, it is a fleeting effort commenced to be construct a remarkable product or a service. It can also be defined as the process of providing services to the user by focusing on the scope, resources, and quality of the output. All the projects have a team to work on, a budget to complete the task under a specific amount, a schedule to follow, and expectation to meet the need of the customers. We can also determine a project as a process of executing a plan which involves taking requirement of the customers and building the solution. Projects are the temporary efforts made to need the business and to organize to the users. Projects can also be differentiated into 5 different categories. The 5 types of products are production project. It involved grapevine production or other production similar to those objects. The next type of project that we have are social project. It involves blood donation, blood drive, and a lot social projects. The next are educational projects. It holds on presentation, infographics, brochures, and other educational projects. The next are community projects. It holds on food collection, cloth collection, and providing those to those people who actually need those products. The next type of projects are research projects. It involves research work from some platform or for some platform. For example, social media. Now that we have a clear idea of what is a product and what is a project, here's a question for you. We all are aware of the like button functionality in the Facebook. What do you think? If it's a product or a project? Put your answers in the comment section below. Now, let us understand what is product management. Product management is managing the process of the product throughout the life cycle, from strategizing to design and development to branding of the product. It involves strategizing products to enhance business profit and create customers' value along with providing benefits to the company. It involves building roadmaps, specifying functional requirements, and creating blueprints to develop the product as per the requirement. It also involves taking customers' feedback and finalizing the price of the product. The product management depends on the organizational structure and size of the company. The management can vary from company to company depending upon the organizational relationships with the industries. This also looks after the branding and launching of the product developed by the company. The product management is divided into three key areas: product discovery, product planning, and product development. Moving on to the goals of product management. To get a perfect product, product management uses SMART system to enhance the goals of product management and manage the deliverables for the customers. SMART stands for specific. The product management should work on the specific idea to start the production as per customer requirement. Measurable. There should be some matrices and data to measure the requirement of the product to get the desired goal. Actionable. The goal should be attainable to the resources required for the product. Relevant. The product must be appropriate as per the product management goals. Time bound. Must be time bound so that it could deliver the product to the customers at a particular given time period. Now let us move ahead and understand what is project management. Project management is defined as the process of planning and organizing the resources of the company to complete a specific task. Project management plays the same roles irrespective of the belonging industry. It is a role that looks after the specific product of an organization. The main objective of project management is to determine the goals and objective of the project. It also creates a quality assurance check to ensure the standards of the project. It is the approach of applying skills and technique to complete a project as per the customer's requirement. It also helps to get the predictable project planning and execution process. The primary constraints of project management are time, scope, quality, and cost. To understand more about project management, let us talk about the goals of project management. The primary goals of project management are to optimize distributed potential intakes, to finish the project on time, to manage the performance of the team, to manage the proper communication and coordination in the team, to achieve the goal and objective of the project within the given time period, to meet the customer's requirement and make them happy. Let us move further and have a look at the life cycle of product management. So, the life cycle of product management has product framing. This phase involves creating a vision, identifying problems, and defining the success of the product. The next phase is research. Research means learn from the people about the need and the values of the product. The next phase is design. In this phase, the team synthesizes visions, ideas, and research into the prototype of the product. The next phase is plotting. Plotting means testing the solution in the real time with real people. Then the product is launched into the market. Launching means to send your product into the wild and let it flourish. In the last phase, when the product is launched into the market, it is important to do some measurements. Measurements means using matrices and data to measure the success of the product and plan the improvements. Now, let us learn the life cycle of project management. The life cycle of project management has following phases. The first phase is initiating. Initiating is the first phase of project management where the management is initiated by determining the visions of the project. The next phase of project management is planning. This phase involves planning for the project by creating roadmaps for it. This phase is also communicate roles and responsibility with the teammates and assemble the workflow. The next phase is executing. This is the phase where execution of major part of the project is done. The execution phase holds on following: phase scope, plan, roles, communication, and project required tools. The next phase is monitoring and controlling. This phase happens in pair with the execution phase as both the phases occur at the same time. As the team starts the execution of the plan, the tasks are constantly being monitored by the managers. The last phase of project management is closing. Once the project is completed, it is delivered to the customers by communicating with the stakeholders. Once the project is delivered to the customers, the resources are allocated to another project. In this stage, the final project is evaluated and the team finally moves on to the other project. Now, let us understand the difference between product management and project management. The product management deals with the planning of the product, plotting, production, and branding of the product. Whereas the project management deals with the process of applying techniques, knowledge, and skills to complete a particular project. The main focus of product management is to build up the value of the product. On the other hand, project management focuses on the breaking down of the efforts and working with multiple functional tasks. The product manager must be good at market research, strategic thinking, and business surveys, whereas a project manager must be good at planning and budget organizing. Product management leads to the external market operations, whereas project management leads to the management of internal operations of an organization. Product management sets a trajectory for the product by creating visions and goals for it. On the other hand, project management brings these visions and goals into the reality by working on the projects to develop the product. Product management focuses on a broader view and manage the product till its complete success. Since a project has an end date, the project management focuses to deliver the project on time. And once the project is delivered, it is no longer managed by the team. Product management brings the idea related to the product into the marketplace. But project management is a role of using specific skills and knowledge to deliver a valuable service. Product management is all about developing a new product or enhancing an existing one, whereas project management is all about applying techniques and approaches to achieve a goal or intent. To know what to choose between product management and project management, you must know what are the skills that are required to start your career as a product manager or as a project manager. So, let us move further and understand what are the skills that are required to be a product manager. A product manager must be good at strategic thinking, leadership skill, time management, empathy skills, communication skills, analytical skills, and presentation skills. The average salary of a product manager is approximately 10 lakhs in India, whereas it is $90,000 for a fresher to $1,60,000 for an experienced person in US. On the other hand, a product must have a good knowledge of project management methodologies, for example, waterfall, agile, scrum, prince2, etc. He must be good at risk management and have some basic knowledge of project management tools. The manager must be good at cost management, adaptability, and critical thinking. The average salary of a project management is 10 lakhs in India, whereas it goes to $75,000 for a fresher to $1,40,000 for an experienced person in US. So both the options are valuable stepping stones towards the success and career growth. You can choose either of them depending upon the skills to thrive in project management or project management. I hope there's enough knowledge of product management and project management. So what are you planning to start your career in? Product management or project management? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to check out the courses of product management and project management provided by the Simplilearn. The link is in description below. Start your learning now. Thank you for being here and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.